Hey guys, it's me. And, yeah. So I don't know the way, it's like, kind of like just broke up. And I'm in my playground, that's why. Right now it's my little sister's Barbies and stuff. She has a lot, like those over there. And a lot of Scooby Doo. And that's her sippy cup. And I had tea earlier, I didn't finish. But now I'm drinking chocolate milk. And there she is. But yeah. Oh, and sorry for the lack of videos. I've been kind of like busy and stuff. Yeah. Yeah. Say bye.
Bye.
Just say bye.